Hey everybody, thought I'd just do a little update. Down to the last field of corn. Oh, got about 35 acres left, and well, my daughter's got a Christmas performance tonight, so not gonna finish her up today, but forecast is pretty favorable. I'll get her done here pretty soon. Time to haul a couple more wagon loads up. Been using the 2155. Things are starting to get dried out, but they were kind of squishy a few days ago. So I'm going to run this up and get this dumped. Nice to have the end in sight. See what the old 2155 is made of. Just using my phone today. Got to grab the GoPro. I thought I'd throw something together quick here. No one's coming. Don't need a repeat of their a week or so ago. Field's really close to home. Short little run up the road, and the tractor barely gets up to speed, and we're at the stop sign. Pyrometer quit working on it, but the boost gauge still works. Cold late last night, so the ground was good and froze up this morning. Starting to thaw out. Had some woman parked in my driveway right here last night that was going to meet someone to swap kids. It's been a while since that happened, but seems like we have a problem with every now and then. And this is always, when I'm trying to come through with a combine tractor, I always start out with telling them, asking them if everything's all right, because there are occasionally people that, have car troubles, or I've had people that just were feeling good and they needed to take a nap, they were tired, and I'm not going to bug them for that. But, just letting your kids run around all over my yard because you got divorced and this is a convenient spot for you to swap kids for the weekend, that's not my problem. Go to McDonald's or something. Especially when you're blocking my drive. You get both cars parked in there and they always block my drive. I can't get out on my own drive. I guess if they're going to be inconsiderate, then so can I. I send them on their way. Got the 2050 running generator, dryer chugging away. Corn's going in at about 19 and a half. About the wettest I've run was just a 20 and a half, 20.5. Everything else, that dry stuff dried off some that day, and basically I've been 20 or under. Get this going. Fortunate in my moisture on the corn, mostly because I was fortunate in planting this spring. A couple of the big rains missed us. Between that and no-till, I was able to get out there and get things done, and had all my corn in on time, and so it was able to dry down. I gotta say, I've been really happy with the quality of the grain this year. I haven't checked any for test weight, but combine's doing a good job. Overall, just good looking stuff. here plugs in. Let's walk over by the dryer. It's loud over there, but let's see how things are going. Coming out of the bottom of the wet bin, going up. Walking down to get the combine, going through the boneyard. There's a combine just the other side of Lake Leroy. I mow a path around here. Kind of nice to be able to come out and enjoy it. It had dried up this summer, and then with all the rain this fall, it started filling back up again. It's up to about the point where the county drain takes the water away when it works. It's been a home for a boatload of Canadian geese and sandhill cranes, but water froze over all last night, and I guess they don't care for that because they were out there yesterday. And you can see the deer just love rubbing on these little poplars. I don't think they've missed a one yet. Whew, it's cold out. I'm gonna put the phone down and put my glove back on. Oh, minor trouble here. These belts, I got the shield off right now, so I can turn backwards, but these belts have gotten a little on the loose side, and that let that auger start slipping, and then it overloaded, and then it stopped. Fortunately, that's why this block's here. I need to make a plate. This door opens, mercury switch here, lets the computer know that something's wrong, and it shuts the unload off, turns off the burner, lets the fan keep going to cool things off. It happened once before, the auger up on the cross auger on a bin, the belt slipped on that and overloaded stuff. This popped up, but it flipped all the way over so fast the mercury switch never noticed that it was in the wrong position, and so it kept running. And God, there was, caught it fairly quick, fortunately, but there's a few hundred bushels out here to scoop up. Now I just got a couple scoops. I just happened to be standing here, I heard something, I turned and looked, and that lid popped open. Some corn started squeezing out, and before I could run over to hit the switch, it already shut the augers off. So that was the only mess, plus some of it's from me backing the auger up to get some of it back out. I got a drain hole at the bottom for such emergencies. So, just need to snug them belts up. Guess I should have checked that. But I did get the auger cleared out, because it was full of hot corn, and don't need that freezing in there. But once I backed it up, I can hook it up straight to the generator instead of going through the computer, so I don't have to run all the others, and got it going. Got the other one was already cleared, or I got that cleared out, dryer cleared out, so it's all good now. Just a little belt tightening and be back in business. But I gotta run. I'm gonna be in trouble with the family. Thanks everybody for watching, and I got more videos. I've recorded stuff, I just gotta take time to edit it. Just thought I'd throw this together pretty quick today. So thanks for watching.